Thank you, Bahubali Farande sir. First of all, I welcome all the participants for this 5 days webinar on AutoCAD 2D Basic. If you see today's education scenario, most of the universities and autonomous institute, they teach engineering drawing subject using AutoCAD. So this 5 days webinar on AutoCAD 2D Basic in this lockdown period of COVID-19 will fruitful for all the participants for their further education in engineering. So with this, I start today's session. In today's session, we will discuss introduction of AutoCAD software, its need and importance, graphical user interface of different versions, wherein we will compare user interface of AutoCAD 2007 and 2015. Then further, I will introduce you to different menus and toolbars available in AutoCAD 2015. And finally, paper sizes which are used in AutoCAD and their different layouts. So let us start with introduction. AutoCAD software is developed by a USA based company, Autodesk. The word AutoCAD is the combination of two different words. Auto is actually a name of the company Autodesk. The logo which is shown below here is AutoCAD company logo, and the other word is CAD, means computer aided design, or you can say computer aided drawing. So in AutoCAD we can draw 2D drawings and we can do also 3D modeling. So it is widely used in industries for 2D drawing and 3D modeling. So in nutshell, we can say that AutoCAD is a designing course, or it is a software which is performed with the help of computer. Now let us see the different versions of AutoCAD software and its development. Various developments and versions of AutoCAD. The first version of AutoCAD software was launched by Autodesk company in December 1982. It comes in India in 1988. The first version of AutoCAD was R1, that is release 1. After that, the further releases like R2, R3, R4 and so on came into the market. And in 2000, the company developed another version or launched another version of AutoCAD called as AutoCAD 2000. And then after, the series of these versions like 2001, 2002 and so on. And the latest version is AutoCAD 2021, which is launched on 25th March 2020. So latest version, if you compare different versions, the latest version is very easy to use and overcome the difficulties of older versions. If you see this picture below, there are different icons or symbols or logos of the different versions like R1, R13 up to this R18. Now next we'll see how this AutoCAD is useful, means its needs and importance. As I said earlier, AutoCAD is a software which is used worldwide by different type of engineers like civil, architecture, mechanical, electrical engineers. The major difference what you find between using the manual drawing and software drawing is, if you compare manual drawing versus AutoCAD drawing, the accuracy that you get is more if you do it in software. The AutoCAD drawing saves your time, saves your human effort. If you do it in sheet, you need to use different scales. You have to look for the line thickness, correction, neatness. Also, with the help of drafter, you have to check its straightness and all other parameters. So, if you compare it, manual versus AutoCAD, AutoCAD drawing is very easy to use. The drawing that you have saved in AutoCAD, you can transfer easily. You can save the files for number of years. You can create good presentation plans and many more. So this software is industry's requirement. So in nutshell, AutoCAD is must software for civil, architecture and mechanical to learn. Next, what you can do with AutoCAD software. You can build the plan in AutoCAD. You can prepare floor plan, or you can say factory layout as mentioned in this picture. You can draw different drawings which make your home comfortable to live. You can design machine elements. You can also design aesthetic models with the help of AutoCAD. Civil engineers can construct different projects in the AutoCAD. Electrical engineers can prepare or can design different circuits as shown in this figure. So these are the different uses. If you see graphical user interface of AutoCAD, here I have compared graphical user interface of AutoCAD 2007. It is also called as classic version, and AutoCAD 2015, it is an advanced version. The logo on the left side is a AutoCAD 2007 and on right it is AutoCAD 2015. If you see user interface of AutoCAD 2007, when you open AutoCAD 2007, this window will appear. This white color window in the middle, it is called as drawing area, wherein you are actually drawing the content. Exactly at the bottom left, you see this user coordinate system, X and Y axis. It is called as user coordinate system. Exactly below this drawing area, there is a small white color window called as command window, wherein you are typing the commands. And exactly below this command window, there is a property bar. It is called as task bar, on which you find different properties like snap, grid, ortho, polar, etc. That we will see the different properties in further sessions. Exactly to the left and right of this white color drawing area, you'll find the different toolbars. On the left, there is a draw toolbar on which there are different tools like line, construction line, polyline, polygon, rectangle, etc. On the right side, there is a toolbar called as modify toolbar, then dimension toolbar. On the top side, you'll find this blue strip on which AutoCAD 2007 is mentioned. That is the version of AutoCAD, followed by a square bracket in which drawing1.dwg is mentioned. This is by default when you open the AutoCAD 2007. Exactly below that, there is a menu bar having different menus like file, edit, view, insert, format, etc. and some more toolbars below that. So this is the graphical user interface of AutoCAD 2007. And now this is the GUI of AutoCAD 2015. When you open it, you'll find a big ribbon over here. On this ribbon, some customized tools, or you can say menus, are available on this ribbon. So this is what modified version of AutoCAD, wherein some advanced tools are there. Instead of giving the toolbar separately, all the tools are mentioned on this ribbon. You can configure this AutoCAD 2015 to AutoCAD 2007, that is classical version. For that you need to do some configurations and settings. So we will discuss how to configure AutoCAD 2015 GUI to classic version of AutoCAD 2007. So for this, just double click the AutoCAD 2015. You will get this window of AutoCAD 2015. This black portion, as I said, this is a drawing area wherein you are actually drawing the content. At the lower left, this is UCS, that is user coordinate system, and on this ribbon you'll find the different tools. Here is the command window, and below this is a taskbar on which you'll find the different properties. So first of all, I'll change the drawing area that is in black color to the white color by doing the setting. You just click right on the options and then go to the display button, and under the display button you'll find this color tab over here. Just click the color tab, go to this colors and select it to white color, and then apply and close and make it OK. So this is how you can convert that black color to white color. Now the grids are available on this window. If you don't want that grid lines, you can make it off by clicking this, the property grid mode on off property over here. Presently it is on, you can click it off by clicking on it, so that grid will get vanish. Now to convert this GUI of 2015 to classic version 2007, you have to do the following setting. If you go to the top left, you'll find this quick access toolbar over here, quick access bar, on which there is a button, that is drop down button here. If you click it, you'll find different options. You have to go to this hide and show menu bar here, hide menu bar. You click it on it. When you click, you'll find this menu bar over here. Now that is hide. Now if you click it once again, it will show you the menu bar. So this is what hide and show menu bar. And when you show the menu bar, you go to tools, then go to the palettes and make this ribbon off. Now ribbon will get off. Now bring the toolbars which are essential for you. So for that, once again go to the tools, go to the toolbars, go to the AutoCAD and click the toolbar which is essential. Now I am clicking the draw toolbar. You can drag and drop to the left side as per your requirement. So for dragging and dropping, you have to press the left mouse click, and if you find proper position, you have to release the left click. So this is how you have to drag and drop the toolbar. Similarly, you can add another toolbars by the same way, or you can right click on any existing toolbar. Say suppose this is a draw toolbar and I am now clicking the right button of mouse, then go to the AutoCAD and then modify toolbar. So this is modify toolbar. I'll just click it. So this will come here. Then I can click it over here. And then just release when it is at proper position. Similarly, other toolbars like standard toolbar, then properties toolbar. So this is how you have to configure AutoCAD 2015 version to AutoCAD 2007 version. Now we will see this different menus for creating new file, open the existing and save the file, different toolbars available in AutoCAD 2015, and use of keyboard and mouse in AutoCAD 2015. So once again open the AutoCAD 2015. So as I said earlier, this is the graphical user interface of AutoCAD 2015 and how to configure it to AutoCAD 2007 classic version. So after doing this, now how to create new file. Now by default when you open AutoCAD 2000, drawing 1 will come. You can close this tab, and when you close this, I'm not now saving it. So when you close it, this window will appear. You can start drawing and opening new file by clicking over here, or you can open a new file or create new file by clicking this file icon over here. Just click it. One more window, pop-up window will come, wherein it will ask you to select the template. So under this template, you have to select AutoCAD ISO. Now why AutoCAD ISO is? This is a standard ISO template wherein all the measurements will be in metric, that is in mm. You can change it to the different another unit, that is in imperial unit. For that there is an option near to this open tab. There is a one drop down menu here. If you click it, you will find these two options: open the template with no open with no template and imperial, open with no template and metric. So you can change the metric unit to imperial unit by clicking on this. So I am now using this AutoCAD ISO by default and open it. Now see the tab showing drawing 2. This is how you have to create the new file. Now I'll make this grid off by clicking this property grid on off, and I'll just introduce you to different toolbars here. This is a draw toolbar. If you drag and drop, and if you keep the mouse cursor on that particular toolbar, the name of that toolbar will appear. That this is a draw toolbar, wherein you'll find the different tools available on this. This is a line. If you keep the mouse cursor on that particular tool, it will show the help. So this is line, this is construction line, polyline, polygon, rectangle, arc, circle, and so on. So this is toolbar called as draw toolbar. This is modify toolbar. So whatever drawing you made it by draw toolbar, with the help of draw toolbar, that drawing you can modify further by using different tools available on the modify toolbar. This is erase, copy, mirror, offset, array, move, rotate, and so on. So this is modify toolbar. You can drag and drop to its respective position. This is standard toolbar. Some options from the menus are available, like new, open, save, plot or print preview, publish, etc. So you can use this standard toolbar. This is properties toolbar, wherein you can change the line types. Line type means if you draw a line and if you want to change its property, means its color, you have to use this color control and you can change its color. If you want to change it type means if you want to convert this thick line to center line, you can do it by clicking on other, then go to the load, and you can add whatever the type you want. So for example, center line, you can click OK and then select, and then by clicking this you can select the center line. So this is how you can do the setting. So here in first you can change the color, in second you can change the line type, here you can change the line weight, means its thickness. So you can change the thickness of this, but that will only visible if you change the property line weight hide show. So for that you can type LW line weight display. Here this LW display, currently it is off, you can make it on, and when you make it on, this center line will get bold, means its thickness get increased. So this is how you have to use this standard property. Now use of mouse and keyboard. How to use the mouse and keyboard in AutoCAD. For your understanding, I'll just draw some figure here. This is a circle and this is a rectangle. Now if you want to zoom in, if you want to make zoom this drawing, you have to scroll the scroller of the mouse, which is available in between left and right mouse click. So if you move upward, the drawing will get zoom, and when you move it downward, the drawing will get reduced or zoom out. So zoom in, zoom out. Similarly, you can move the drawing from one to another by pan option. This is a pan option. When you press the scroller, means that roller, and if you move the mouse, the drawing can move from left to right, up and down, and you can place it to the proper position. For that you have to release the scroller. So you have to keep that roller pressed, and when in proper position is achieved, you have to release it. So this is how pan option can be operated. Now next is selection of the drawing. For selecting the drawing, you have to click the left on the mouse and start moving. One rectangle, blue rectangle will come. You have to incorporate all the drawing content in that particular blue rectangle, and on another end you have to click left, and then drawing will get selected. This is one option by using left to right movement. So left click, move towards right, include all the content in that blue rectangle, and then press once again left. The second option is click on the right outside the drawing, move your mouse towards left, then green rectangle with dotted boundary will come, and then click. But the difference in this green color rectangle is, if I click by keeping some part of the drawing outside this rectangle, even the all content of the drawing is selected. So this is the difference. In blue rectangle, you have to cover each and everything in that particular rectangle. But in green rectangle, even if some part of that particular drawing is included in that green rectangle, the all drawing will get selected. This is the difference of selection by using blue rectangle and by using green rectangle. Now I am deleting this. So this is how you have to use the mouse and different menus and toolbars for drawing the things. So now in next point we will discuss the different paper sizes and layouts. So these many paper sizes with some another standards are also available. For understanding, I am taking only these 5 ISO standard paper sizes and 2 layouts, that is landscape and portrait. The A0 is bigger size and A4 is the smaller size, and in this figure you will find these different dimensions. So A4 size sheet means the paper that you are using for printing, normal printing, that is A4 size, and the size is 297 by 210. And now presently in this figure it is in landscape layout. Now difference between landscape and portrait is, if A4 size means in this, if length of this A4 size, that is 297, if it is horizontal then it is landscape, and if you make 297 vertical and 210 horizontal, then it is called as portrait layout. Similarly, there is another paper size A3 sheet. The A3 sheet dimensions are 420 by 297. A2 is 594 by 420. A1 is 594 by 841. And A0 is 841 by 1189. So now how to do these settings and how to set these paper sizes in AutoCAD 2015, and after drawing how to convert that drawing file to the PDF file. Let us see how to do it. So first you just open the AutoCAD 2015, then go to the new file. As I said earlier, select new file, select AutoCAD ISO, then open, make the grid off. Now setting the drawing area for the drawing, you have to use the limits command. So go to the command window or type it anywhere on the screen by using keyboard LIMITS, limits, enter. See, it will ask you to specify lower left corner. So lower left corner is always by default 0, 0, and that is nothing but this origin point at the UCS. So enter 0.0 here, and then upper right corner, that is paper size of A4, that is 297, 210. But if you see at the command window, by default it is 420 by 297, that is A3 size limit. We are setting now the paper size of A4, so that's why the upper right corner is 297 by 210. So enter it. Now limit has been set. Now how will you display it on the screen? For display you have to draw a rectangle of the same size. So by using rectangle command, shortcut is REC. See, this is the beauty of AutoCAD 2015 or latest version of AutoCAD 2000 series. wherein if you type that particular keyword, automatically it will list all the different commands associated with that keywords. But if we compare with older version of AutoCAD 2000, that is 2007, this facility is not there. So enter REC. It will ask you to give the lower left corner point or the specify first point, that is 0, 0 again, and then the another corner is 297, 210, then enter. So now that rectangle will get appear at the bottom left corner. It is not visible now because that is very small as compared to the window here. So when I zoom it, so for zooming, the one shortcut is there or command is there, zoom command. You simply type Z for zoom and then enter. It will ask you specify the option wherein there is all option. So type A and then enter. So the rectangle will come on the screen. So this is a A4 size sheet. This is A4 size sheet. Now I'll just draw something in this. I can draw some text by multi-line text here. You can change the font here. You can change the font size. You can also change the color here. And then you can type this is sample. Then you can draw circle. So now if you want to convert this drawing file into PDF file, just go to the file, click plot option here. Now herein I'll just show you different paper sizes available. First of all, do this settings, page setup. Herein you have to keep none. If you want to add printer or plotter, you can select the same. But now since no printer is connected to this PC, it is by default none. If you want to convert, if you want to convert this drawing file to the PDF, you can convert this. So for that you have to select the option DWG to PDF converter. So this is what DWG to PDF converter. Click it, and then again below this there is a paper size option over here. So you just click it. So these many paper sizes are available for for this existing drawing. I am choosing this A4 size sheet, that is 297 by 210. If it is 297 by 210, it is landscape, and if it is 210 by 297, it is portrait. So I am selecting landscape option, this A4 size. Then plot area. So for plotting the area, by default it is display, means whatever display on the screen that will get plotted. I don't want that. I'll just go and select the limits. Since I have set the limits, I can choose this option. Otherwise there are other options also, extents and then windows. Limits means the limits that I have set. So if you click the limits, only that area will get plotted. Then select the center of the plot, means the drawing should be printed at the center of the paper. So select the center of the plot option. And now see on the right side, I already pressed this button, so that's why other options are visible. If it is not like this, you have to press this arrow here, so other options will get displayed, wherein there is a drawing orientation option. At present it is portrait. You can change it to the landscape, and then if you see this entire drawing is now properly fitted in this drawing area. So you can also check the preview. So this is a A4 size sheet with the drawing. If it is properly fitted, then you click right on this, go to the plot, and now save the drawing to PDF file. So you can change the name drawing3model.pdf to sample, and then select the destination and click the save button. So PDF file will get generated. It will display on the screen. Also you can check on the desktop. So on the desktop there is a sample.pdf here. If you open it, this is a PDF file. Similarly, if you want to save this file, you just go and save this. You can change the name, sample. Below that there are different options like file type. Now by default it is AutoCAD 2013 in bracket .dwg. So DW means drawing file. So that can be only open in AutoCAD. So here it is AutoCAD 2013. It means that even though you have drawn it in 2015, it can be open in 2013. Likewise, there are different options here. If you click the button, you'll find this AutoCAD 2013 at top, then 10, AutoCAD 2007, 2004, 2000, R14, that is a release version, R14, and some another options. So if I click AutoCAD 2000, it means that this file can be open in can open in 2007 also. And then click save, and then it will get saved at the proper location. So keep it in mind that whatever you have drawn, if you save it to the older version, that can be open in that version, older version. But if you save it as it is, say suppose in 2015, it will not open in AutoCAD 2007. But in opposite way, if you do it, the drawing in AutoCAD 2007, it can open in AutoCAD 2015 or latest version. But latest version file cannot be open in AutoCAD 2007, that is lower version, unless and until you save, you keep that option of save in the older version. So this point you have to remember while saving the drawing file. So this is what about paper sizes and different layouts used in AutoCAD 2015. So with this, I am ending with the session. So before ending the session, I request all the participants to fill the feedback of today's session, and in further session we will discuss another tools which are available in 2015, how to use it, how to draw the figures with the help of that particular options available. So I request all the participants to give the feedback of today's session and also attend the quiz which is mentioned below in the following